Hello everybody! Today we will learn about rain, candle, and fan. Before we start our lesson today, let us sing together first. This is the way.
This is the way we wake ourselves, wake ourselves, wake ourselves. This is the way we wake ourselves so early in the morning. This is the way we brush our teeth, brush our teeth, brush our teeth. This is the way we brush our teeth so early in the morning. This is the way we wash our face, wash our face, wash our face. This is the way we wash our face so early in the morning. This is the way we put on our clothes, put on our clothes, put on our clothes. This is the way we put on our clothes so early in the morning. This is the way we eat breakfast, eat breakfast, eat breakfast. This is the way we eat breakfast so early in the morning. This is the way we go to school, go to school, go to school. This is the way we go to school so early in the morning.
Look at this. Do you know what is this? Yes, hujan. Rain, rain. Repeat, rain. What should we do if it's raining? Apa yang harus kita lakukan jika sedang hujan? Yes, you can use an umbrella, memakai payung, or wear a raincoat, memakai jas hujan. Now look at this. Can you guess what is this? Correct, lilin. Candle, candle. Repeat, candle. So, where or when do you usually see candle? Di mana atau kapan kamu melihat lilin? Yes, you can see candle on the cake, birthday cake. Kamu bisa melihat lilin di atas kue, kue ulang tahun. Now, do you know what is this? Yes, kipas angin. Fan, fan. Repeat, fan. So, when we can use the fan? Kira-kira kapan ya kita bisa menggunakan kipas angin? Yes, when the weather is hot. Saat udaranya panas. So, we can turn on the fan. Kita bisa nyalakan kipas angin. Now, you can open your book, page 35. Look at your book. You have rain, hujan, candle, lilin, fan, kipas angin. As usual, you need to trace the letters. After that, write again, and then don't forget to color the picture. Thank you for today. See you.